Okay, ụtụtụ ọma onye ọbụla, kedu ka unu mere? Okay, abụ m Ogochukwu Kunet Ọhaya. Ihe anyị nwere n'ụbọchị taa wụ ihe a na-akpọ vowels, ụda ume, vowel sound. Onye ọbụla ọ na-afụ m? Onye ọbụla ọ na-afụ m? Everybody, can you see me, everybody?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. We're going to do something called the vowel sound. I don't know why the video is not coming up here, but it's okay. So now, last week we did participles. We're still going to do the auxiliaries. After that, we do the conjugation, Igbo conjugations. But what we did last week, some of you sent their email, sent me email of the assignment, but I didn't get any email from most of you. And if you miss class, ọwụrụ na ị bịaghị akwụkwọ ụbọchị ahụ, ị ga akwụkwọ, ị gaa na forum ebe nwere, ebe m na-esendịrị unu ihe gbasatara ihe ndị anyị mere, where I sent all the assignments and the lessons. You go there and you put the assignments, even though it didn't show up in the classroom, but you have to do the assignment and send to me. You can send it through my WhatsApp, you can send it through my email. If you want to prefer email, call me and get it, okay? Okay, so first of all, I get video with the Egwu Jiriwe Egwu Atlanta Igbo School, okay? And when I finish singing, all of you will sing back. So once I'm done, open your audio, unmute yourself, and then sing back. Ndị nne na nna anyị na-arịọ unu soba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ga-adị ikwu n'ibe anyị na-arịọ unu soba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ga-enwu jisie n'ike soba Igbo asụsụ Igbo anyị ga-enwu jisie n'ike soba Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ga-enwu ndị nne na nna anyị na-arịọ unu soba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ga-enwu ikwu n'ibe anyị na-arịọ unu soba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ga-enwu jisie n'ike soba Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ga-enwu. Okay, now I want everybody to sing. So it's your turn. 1, 2, go. Ndị nne na nna, 1, 2, go, everybody. Ikwu n'ibe anyị na-arịọ soba n'asụsụ jisie n'ike Okay, ọsụsọ mmadụ n'ole ka m nụrụ olu ha. Amaghị m ihe mere na ndị ọzọ agụghị ya, bet onye ọbụla jisie ike mụta. Anyị ga-eji ya na-ebido klaasị anyị mgbe ọbụla anyị bidogo akwụkwọ. Onye ọbụla jisie ike mụọ ya, ọ wụrụ ihe m na-achọ ịgwa unu. Okay, so now enwere m a page to share with you guys, which is the body. You know, we've done it before, but you have to go over the body parts again. I will post it. I will post the body parts, but what we have today is vowel sound, vowel harmony. But let me quickly go over the body parts so that you know how to pronounce them, okay? All right, so I'm trying to get the page. Can you see the page here, the body parts page?
No.
You can't see the page? Okay. Can you see the page now?
No.
The body parts page. Okay, I think I have to get this one. Working it. 1 second. Let me see. Okay. Now, can you see it?
No.
You can't see the body parts page now?
Oh, we see it.
All right. So this is the body parts page. This page, I will post it to the forum because I noticed that some of you are beginning to, wait, I think it's doing something. I have to put this one up here. Can you see it?
Yes.
I have to pull up another one because this one is. All right.
Daddy. I can't control it.
Okay, nice. Up again. Okay, so the body parts page. So anyị nwere isi. Anyị emego ihe ndị a mbụ. E nwere isi, which is head. Everything the level. Then ntutu, that one, I didn't put it because we have it before. So go back to the body head and head to toe sketch that I made before. Ntutu, hair, ntutu, hair, head, isi, chin, agba, neck, akpere, chest, obi. Then your armpit, mpa abo, ebo, ikiri aka, your lips, egbugboro ọnụ, shoulders, ubu aka. Then the clothes you're wearing, shirt or blouse or anything, is efe or uwe. Some people call it uwe. Your stomach, afo. Your waist, this is like your hip area, your waist, is uku. Now we have your back. Okay, your back is not there, but it's on the side. It's called azu. But pay attention when you say back, azu. We have two sounds. Okay, the same spelling, but they have different sounds. Azu. Azu is your back. Azu, fish. So you pay attention, be careful how you say it to avoid mixing your words or the meaning or the spelling. The spelling is the same, but the sound is what you need to pay attention. And then we did a tone mark, how you can mark it up, down, high tone, high, low, and high, and then level. Okay, so these things are the things you need to pay attention to. We have hand, aka. Your hand, aka. Oba aka is your palm. Oba aka, your palm. Okay. Your titi aka, your hand, your arm. The arm is called a titi aka, middle of the hand, which is arm. Okay. Mkpịsị aka, your fingers. Mkpịsị aka. Now we have fingernails. Mbọ aka. Mbọ aka. Your short, that your short pants, okay, it's called neka. Sometimes in English it can be written in English, but this is Igbo. Neka. Then your knee. Ikiri ụkwụ. Ikiri ụkwụ. Your toes. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Toenails. Mbo ụkwụ. Now, ọba ụkwụ, see on your foot, just beneath your foot. Ọba ụkwụ. All right, we have foot, which is ụkwụ. We have heels. Ike, the back of the heel is ike, ụkwụ. And the calf is the leg. It's ụkwụ. Etiti, ụkwụ. Your thigh. Mpata, ụkwụ. Mpata, ụkwụ. So this is just a review, but I will post it to go there. Now your heart, not the chest. Chest is obi. Your heart is mkpụrụ obi. Mkpụrụ obi. Your butt is ike. Your back, azụ. Your hair, all the hair in your body, whether it's in the armpit, the private areas, your hands, your leg, is aji. Aji. Any hair on your body is aji ahụ. Body, your whole body is called ahụ. Body, human body is called ahụ. 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 Ahụ or ahụ. Now, we have sides of the body. Your side, the side of the body. Now we have left and right. But the side is called akụkụ. Akụkụ. The side of the body is called akụkụ. Now the right side is called akụkụ. Aka nri. Akụkụ. Aka nri. The left side is called akụkụ. Akaekpe. Akụkụ. Akaekpe. So this is a review. Now that's it. I will post it and you go there and get it. Okay, so let's go back to what we have to do today. All right, so if I'm missing something. Onye nwere ajụjụ? Onye nwere ajụjụ means anybody. If you have any question?
Imba.
Okay, good. And I need you to be responding. Only one person, I think only sure is responding to me. I need people to talk.
Awesome.
Who?
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, my dear. Okay, so wait, I'm trying to share a screen with you. Okay. I need somebody to mute, please. Mute, 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 mute. You need to mute it, please.
I'm pretty sure mine is mute though. I think Susanna's also.
Can you see the vowel page now? Do you see it?
No.
Page I'm sharing.
I mean, I just see the file. I don't see the actual page.
Okay, well. Okay, I'm got it done. Let me see.
Are you cool?
Okay, let me share it again. So only one person said that she just sees the file. Okay, share the screen again. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, the vowel harmony. What spelling? Okay, we did this in the class already, but I'm going to just run over it so that you still remember. The vowel sound and then the harmony we did in the classroom. We have two groups of vowels. These two groups of vowels, we have A, which has the group of I, O, O, but in Igbo it's called A with I with double dot. I'm going to increase it. I want to increase everything so that you see what I'm doing. I with a double dot. Somebody's blocking me here. Okay. And then O with a dot underneath. U with a dot underneath. So let me make it 18. Now it's big. Can you see it very well? Or do you want me to increase the font?
It's good.
It's good. Okay, so see the two groups of vowels. So we have A, R, O on the A group. And then B group, which is E. we have A, O, U, and then that E, O, U. Okay, so that's what we have. And then on the A group, which is A, this is A, A, that's deeper with double dot. O, okay, so we did this already. And when you're writing a spelling, writing any word, and you're pronouncing a word, every letter must be pronounced. That's one thing about Igbo. Every letter must be pronounced. You can't leave anything out. Now, we're going to do some of the words here and how to pronounce some stuff. Okay, so we have here what we call nkita. Did you see that? We're putting those vowels in words. Nkita is a dog. Nkita is a dog. Nkita. Okay, so A, you paid A and with I. You see that? Now, what is this? Azo. That's azo. Let me make it bigger. Azo. We have azo here. And remember I said again, azo. There are two different words. We have here, azo. But then you have to put a dot. Trying to put it for you. Have to put a dot there on the O. They are the same spelling. If you look at this, they are the same spelling. Okay, but the pronunciation, azo. This is fish. That's not back. This is fish. Okay, azo. No, azo. This is azo here. This is, we have azo or azo, but the pronunciation is different. Azo, fish. Now we have azo. Azo, we have it here. So you have to know the difference. We put azo, it can be fish, it can be back, but the pronunciation is different. Back is azo, azo. Fish is azo, azo. I hope we got it. Now we have onwa, a paired with o, which is o, a, and o. Onwa, we have two words. In onwa, we have month. We have month, and then we have moon. You see that? So you have to know this. We have month and the moon. The month is onwa, the same spelling, but the pronunciation, you are the one to put it the way it sounded to you. Onwa is up. Onwa, high tone. So onwa, high tone. This is the month. Onwa, moon. They are high tone. So you have to know this one. In this case, we have the same spelling, the same word, sound. There's nothing different. Onwa, onwa. It is the same sound. There's no difference. But the other one, azo, azo. So you have to pay attention to the sounds. This one has the same sound. All right. So it has the same sound, both of them. Now we have onwa, onwu, death, onwu, death. All paired with o. So o na o na agakọ, it means paired. Ịgakọ ọnụ means paired. Okay. Now akwụkwọ, the a paired with o. Akwụkwọ, it can be your book, can be school. Ụlọ akwụkwọ means school. Ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ akwụkwọ means it's school. Okay? The building of the school. Akwụkwọ means book. Akwụkwọ, nyem akwụkwọ, nyem akwụkwọ. Give me a book. Were akwụkwọ, were akwụkwọ. Take a book. I nwere akwụkwọ, I nwere akwụkwọ? Do you have a book? Do you have a book? Ị nwere akwụkwọ? Enwere m. When you say yes, I have a book. Enwere m akwụkwọ. Enwere m akwụkwọ. Means yes. Enwere m means I have. I have. Akwụkwọ means book. Enwere m akwụkwọ. Yes, I have a book. Mba, enweghị m akwụkwọ. Mba. Okay, let's go ahead and write it. Enwere m akwụkwọ. Enwere m akwụkwọ. Enwere m akwụkwọ means yes. See that? I have a book. Okay, now I'm going to say no. Mba. Mba. Enweghị m. Is it the negative way of saying it? Mba, enweghị m akwụkwọ. Mba, enweghị m akwụkwọ. Mba, enweghị m akwụkwọ. No, I don't have a book. Okay, I need somebody to use that and the mba to say something. I need the positive and negative. Make a sentence in Igbo. Somebody should say something here. Make a sentence in Igbo. Make a sentence in Igbo. O nwere onye ga-eji okwu kwuo ihe n'Igbo? Igbo na class here.
You want us?
Go ahead. Who is that?
You want us to use the word?
Listen to me. Listen, I said before you say something in the class, you have to introduce yourself. Abum Ogechi Nwa. Or Abum Ogechi is okay. Or Abum Ifoma. Or you can say, or Ogechi Neku. Or Ezinne Neku. Or Abum Ezinne. Before you say something. So that's how we're going to be doing it in this class. Go ahead. Somebody wanted to say something.
Okay. Are you from on that? Are you from on Neku?
Okay.
Okay, so you want us to make a sentence using the word no? That's it?
Yes and no. You want to say, yes, you have something. No, you don't have that. Okay, that's what, any way you want to put it, but I want you to put which is yes, and mba. Either you say, yes, I have it. No, I don't have it. Or mba, enweghị m ya. Enwere m ya. But I want you to make a sentence. You don't use a book. You can use something else. You can use a pen. You can use pencil. You can make a sentence. Okay, let us go this way. Ezinne, bịa ka anyị gaa n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ezinne, bịa ka anyị gaa na mall. Mba, agaghị m aga. I just need a sentence in Igbo because this is intermediate class. We have to do better. Somebody should say something.
Oh, Ezinne Neku.
Ezinne.
Achọrọ m nri. Mba, achọghị m nri.
Okay, Ezinne say, achọrọ m nri. Meaning what, Ezinne? Kọwaa ihe I kwuru.
Yes, I want food.
Good. And no, I don't want food. That is good. That is perfect. Onye ọzọ means another person. Onye ọzọ kwuo something n'Igbo. Etu Ezinne siri wee kwuru anyị. Onye ọzọ ọwụsa Ezinne nọ na klaasị anyị, onye ọzọ ga-ekwuara anyị okwu n'Igbo.
Uchechi Neku.
Oh, Uchechi Neku. Can you repeat that?
Okay. Oh, Uchechi Neku.
Okay, Uchechi, ngwa, gwa ya okwu.
Oh, I forgot what I was going to say.
Keep going. Okay, tell me what you want to say in Igbo. In English, say it in English.
I just forgot the middle verb.
Okay, say it in English. Let me help you.
Oh, wait, I know it now. Enwerem oche.
Enwerem. You see the pronunciation is supposed to see the difference. Enwerem oche. That's what you want to say, yeah?
Yes.
You want to say enwerem oche. Okay. So what does that mean?
I want a chair.
Okay, good. No. If you say enwerem oche, it means I have. But you said I have a chair. You said I want. That is not enwerem.
That's photos. I mixed it up.
Okay. Now, what you want to say is I want a chair. You want to say, yes, I want a chair. Is that what you're saying?
I want to say, yes, I have a chair. I just mixed it up with the other one.
Okay, good. Okay, now say the negative part. You got it?
Mba mwegi oche.
Mba enweghị m oche. Good. Mba enweghị m oche. The other one is enwere m oche. Good job, Uchechi. Onye ọzọ gwa anyị okwu. We have to know how to use these words. Anyị kwesịrị ịma ntụ esi eji okwu ndị a ekwu okwu. So this is intermediate class. We need to do better. Come on, I need everybody in this class to try their best, please. Somebody else, if you know you haven't said anything, go ahead and tell me something. N'Igbo, use your and the mba. Yes and no. I have this, I don't have this. Another word. Good job, people.
Amala Neku.
Amara nkwa. Ndewo.
Iwike wete mmili. Gewete gị mmili. Mba, aga m ewete gị mmili.
Hey, Amala darling. Amala, explain to us what you said in English.
I said, can you get me water? No, I can't get you water. Yes, I can get you water.
Okay, I want you to repeat it in Igbo again, both of the way you said it, so that everybody will hear that.
Iwike wete mmili. Mba, aga m ewete gị mmili. Aga m ewete gị mmili.
Okay, I know Amara is mixing A because of her dialect, and which is good. Everybody, your parents in your household, they have their dialect, and it is okay to speak your dialect. But then we are dealing also with Central Igbo, which is fine. So Amala, dialect is Iwetere, Miri, with E, but in Central Igbo, Iwetara, Miri, it is okay. So speak your dialect, don't change it. This is okay. I want you to know that. So, but what I'm typing here is in Central Igbo. I nwere ike iwetara m mmiri, which is Central, okay? Amara's dialect is okay. She is correct, 100% correct. Okay, that's a question. Checha, I will put your listen. I nwere ike iwetara mmiri? Aga m eweta tara gị mmiri. Mba, agaghị m ewetara gị mmiri. Mba. Aga. Gim. See how to write it. Ewetara gị mmiri. Can you bring me water? Ah, come on. It's a question. Yes. Yes, I will bring you water.
Auntie, that's no.
Huh? Huh?
You said yes. It's Imba, it's no.
Good job. At least you guys are paying attention. No, I will not. I will not bring you water. Okay, continue. Now, this one said, oh, yes. I will bring. All right. So, and the Uchechi, you said your own. Let me say it again. Enwere mba enweghị m oche. Okay. Mba enweghị m oche. No, I don't have a chair. Enwere m oche. Yes, I have a chair. Okay, see that? So the sound, now we have similar good. These examples should be enough now because very soon the class will be ending. But what I need you to, I don't want to load so much on you in one day, but I need you to go over everything and use those sentences. Talk with each other. Kwuoro nwanne gị okwu, na-agwa ya okwu n'Igbo. Ị ga-ekwute ya, ị jụọ m, kedu etu esi ekwu ya? Anytime, test me. Okay? Jụọ mama gị, jụọ papa gị, jụọ nwanne gị, kedu ka esi ekwu nke a? Ị ga na-asụ ya n'ụlọ, ị ga na-asụ ya n'ụlọ, ị ga na-amụta ya. Mama gị ma papa gị ma nwanne gị kwuoro gị okwu na Oyibo, si ya sụọra gị Igbo. Ya ka ịkwuo, ị ga-amakwa na-asụ ya, jụọ ya kedu ka esi ekwu ihe a n'Igbo. Ọntụ ị ga-esi na-eme ya were mụta. Okay? Ị mara na ị sendibere m assignment gị, ihe nsị gị mee n'ụlọ, send ya. Few people did, Ifenlota did, Chico did, and few others. Send them. I will correct it and post it. Okay? But learn your vowel sounds. I will post this note in the forum, WhatsApp forum, and then I will post the lesson to the YouTube link. I will also send the link. Go there. Make sure you subscribe. Don't just go there and watch it. Subscribe. You have to subscribe. Okay? And then learn the lessons. The more you watch the recordings, the more you learn. So go over the lessons again, make up your own words and send. Now, I have another one say here, similar Igbo words with the vowel E. All this is what we did, the vowel sounds. So pairing two letters, and A, O and E and U, O and A. Just see the pair. I will post the note. Okay. But the sound that I'm trying to talk about here is how we make a sound. We did pronouns already. You guys know these things. I just made the note and I'm going to send it to you guys. Go over the note over again. We did all this in the classroom. Now, we have a sound, Obi, Obi. Which one is Obi? Kedu nke wu Obi?
Obi.
Which one is Obi? Kedu nke wu Obi?
Obi's chest.
Nke ọzọ wụ gịnị?
Like outside the ground.
Can you pronounce?
Tell
me, pronounce two of them and differentiate each of them.
Obi.
Obi. Obi
Remember,
is
I
hat.
said before you say something, say your name.
Afambo.
I forget again.
Oh, Afambo Brian.
Uchenna. Okay, ngwa. Obi again.
Obi chest.
Because again.
Because
Obi is what? Gini wo?
Obi is chest.
Obi again.
Obi means.
Okay, onwere ga-enyere Uchenna aka. Amara ị chọrọ inyere Uchenna aka?
And Obibu, like the ground outside, like the front yard or the backyard, like.
Okay, Obi is palace. Palace, like your father's palace, king's palace. In Igbo land, they build something in the back or in the front, and then you receive like visitors, like very important people, your cohort, your friends. You know, have a meeting there. That's Obi. Obinnam, my father's palace. Obinnam, my great grandparents' palace, grandfather's palace. Okay. Obinnam means your father's palace. Anything can be your Obi palace. It doesn't have to be king's palace. No. Now Obi is chest. Okay, so that's the difference. Now, can we say we did it in the class? Aqua. Aqua